Okie dokie, everybody. Thought I'd take a little bit of time just to do kind of an update on some 68 Camaro goodness. I finally just decided to take the block that I had in here apart. I'm having a hard time. I live in the middle of North Carolina. I can't find any machine shops that are willing to line bore a block. I know this one's in good shape. I think the crank was 10 rod, 20 mains. Took it all down. It's got some ridge at the top of the block, so 30 should clean it up. It's a 2-bolt. I do have that LS6 crank. I got the H-beam speedmaster rods. I got the TRW 10cc dome, 12cc dome. I think there's a 2933s pistons and all to go in it. And I'll double check and I'll put it in the actual thing tomorrow. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you kind of what we're doing. I pretty much have everything. I have the oil pan, pickup. I have the cam. I have the lifters. I think the only thing I'm really missing right now is timing chain. I know to get the C-clips because I'm going to float the rods with those TRW pistons. And I probably need to buy an oil pump. That's really probably about everything else. And good head gaskets because I'm running aluminum. I got brand new ARP main bolts and ARP head bolts for this thing here. And just to kind of show everybody, and I'll pull this thing out tomorrow. I might edit these two together. Show everybody where the Camaro is so they can get a better gauge of this car. And it's been sitting in here. I haven't cleaned it in a hot minute. But it looks pretty good. I mean, there's a few places I still need to fix. Need to put the rocker chrome on it. The reason I'm not doing that yet, I still got to take the front end back off the car. The bottom side, which I don't think you're going to be able to see, still needs to be done. It needs to be re-sanded and painted all underneath. I got to also pull the 12 bolt back out of it so we can build it, put the gears I want in it. That's really about all that's got to be done to that. It's got brakes on it. I need to also do the front end. I need to do the brakes on the front discs. I want to run manual discs on it. Probably going to have those ordered. Hopefully game plan motor. Maybe I can possibly get it back in, this might sound crazy, but hopefully within a month or so. And then I have to buy got the fuel tank over there. Then I really just got to buy the fuel lines, the fuel system, and the ignition system. And probably wouldn't hurt to get a good 4-core radiator. I suspect it's going to run at least probably a little warm. But I got some other good goodies in here too for the car that I've just kind of been collecting stuff since, once again, nobody wants to do machine work. I did get a diff cover. It looks pretty nice for that 12 bolt to throw in it when I put the gears back in it. I did get the heater box powder coated. And we still got to put all the weather stripping on it. I did the other side. I just haven't done this side. I need to cut the hole for the shifter and hook the radio back up and do the antenna. And that's up there at the house. And then hook all the gauges up. And then probably just put in the rear panels. I got the seat back there. Package trays are in here somewhere. And get it all buttoned up. But it is getting closer. I'm still goofing off with it. Also, still really the only paint work other than under the car is I haven't had a chance to do the tail panel yet. So we're going to black it out. But I have the headers. The headers are in the trunk. The oil pan's hanging out over there. But you will see some more stuff going on with this. Hopefully soon. Only other thing too I really need to do is check the steering box. It's manual steering. Probably going to leave it manual steering. So I can set it up just the way Dad's car is. There's pretty much the same headers. And it fits. It's got probably all of maybe 1/8 of an inch between that box and the header. But that way you set it up. And then Super excited. That torque storm still down there, still all in the box. And then I'm going to run up there. You can see them. They're I got 2 sets of them. They're Cal Customs, but they're wrinkle black. And then we got the jet hot coated intake manifold for it. I think it's going to look pretty spiffy on there. At least I hope so. But we got to get some more parts ordered. But this car, it will be done soon. Hopefully, I'd like to drive it next year. At least that's a game plan. Thank you for watching.